Okay, so we kind of went over the drip edge on this building. Now we got to deal with the rake edge. Every building is going to be different, you know, depending on the width of the metal, how long the building is, how wide the building is, whatever the case may be. You can see this ended on the top rib. Maybe this is where they started. You know, maybe the other end rib's totally different. Now, remember, we got to put edge metal on here. So you can see we've got these screws, I don't know, maybe every 2.5 foot apart all the way down this. We could have kind of done the same thing and cut little pieces of plywood and put in there and screwed the lumber to it. But I've only got like an inch to work with. So we would have to have done something like this. Now we had metal bent and there's an angle here. So if we would have done this before we had our metal, you can see the gap. That metal, I mean, will it work? Sure. It's gonna be tougher to nail. Plus I've only got about an inch to secure this to. So what we did, we took a piece of dimensional lumber, the height of our flute fill, and we attached it to the purlins. Then we took this, the nailer itself, where the metal's gonna be nailed to, and we kind of offset it. So now, it's kind of I don't want to say about a 22.5 degree angle. It's gonna be a lot nicer fit. Even though this gap is in here, we're not too worried about that. I would rather have this than something like this. So again, every building is going to be different, but these are things that you need to be aware of when you're looking at a job like this. Again, rake edges are going to be a little bit different than a drip edge.
I'm Dave.
And I'm Wally. Check out our videos at gaf.com/roofingitright.